Good evening. Today we'll be doing graph of quadratic functions and solutions of quadratic equations. Input values for y equals to x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c using spreadsheet formula for the given x values in the table. Values to change with different b, c inputs. We'll be finding these numbers in yellow. How do we do that? We'll be using the formula above. As you can see, using the formula above, I got a12, which is my negative 5 to the power of 2 plus f4, which is my b, which is 3, times a12, which is my negative 5x, and plus h4, which is my c, in this case is 7. Now, hitting enter, I get my answer. I do the same thing for the rest in this row. Putting in the cell instead of the number is important, as when I change b or c, the numbers in the formula will change and your answers will change respectively. Moving on to graph. Display both curves on the same graph using the table of values. Second graph to change with different b and c inputs. Now, graph of two lines, these will move according to your b and c inputs, as it will change the number in your formula. In this case, changing b and c will move the lines respectively. Moving on to solutions of quadratic equations. Display numeric discriminant and numeric solutions to the equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Values to change for different b and c inputs. Now, the numeric discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is the discriminant formula that derives from part of the quadratic formula. Now, for numeric solutions, the solutions for x1 is negative 2, 3, and x2 is 38. I use the quadratic formula, which gets me both x1 and x2. Given the function in completed square form y equals to bracket x plus b divided by 2 bracket to the power of 2 plus c minus b square divided by 4. Verbally explain how the graph y equals to x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c is shifted from the basic graph y equals to 2x squared for the given b and c inputs. Now, graph line y equals to x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c shifts from graph line y equals to x squared when given the different b and c inputs as bracket x plus b divided by 2 close bracket to the power of 2 will shift the horizontal axis, and c minus b to the power of 2 divided by 4 will shift the vertical axis, thus changing where the two graph lines will cross into one another. Verbally explain the changes in solutions for different discriminant values and display your conclusion statement. Numeric discrimination formula y equals to b to the power of 2 minus 4ac solution will depend on the answer you get when applying the discriminant formula, as when the solution is more than 0, you will get the outcome of two real solutions, and when your solution is equal to 0, you'll get one real solution, and when your solution is less than 0, you will get two imaginary solutions.